Alright, I'm gonna change my brake pads in my little Baja mini bike. So let's get this started. The first thing is to find your brakes. Usually they be on this side. The brakes are really small, so I think we need two 10mm bolts we need to remove. We have a ratchet and a 10mm socket. We got that. And we just gotta loosen these. Then just remove them by hand. A little hard because these are old. There's one right there. Just gotta get it out. See? And since almost nothing left on these brake pads, so we've got two of these right here. Yeah, those. So when they get over here, we're gonna remove them. I think it's one more size up. Then we just get it in, loosen it. It's two, so it's gonna be stuck. And just loosen it like that. Really easy because this is an old. Look at that. It's like almost nothing left. Oh, actually, there's a little left. We're gonna put this spring back in and just do this. It's a little harder. This is so you just gotta put it in like that. So I think it's good. I'm not positive how these went, so we'll just find out. Set that to the side. And now we're gonna get this one. And get our second brake pad. Just in like that, real easy. Then you take it, drop it in. We need bolts because we don't need those. Wait a minute. It's a little difficult. Oh yeah, there we go. We got the spring loaded in there. Then all we do is push it in. It's a little difficult, but it's hard to get these on. I got it. So do that. Then we take our second brake, put it on top. Take this little thing and put these on. All we gotta do is just tighten this. It's a pretty simple little thing. It's just little brake pads, and these aren't super big. I think I messed it up, so I'll pause this and come back to when I get it on. Alright, got the brakes on, and they work a little better than they did. I think it's just the floor has more grip. I think the brakes are a little better than they were. Got them on. I pushed the brake down. It clamps down on the brakes. Pretty good. I think it's a success. I'll definitely have a big plan for this mini bike. Give more information later. I'll probably make the video Saturday. I'll upload it later. But I'm not gonna tell you yet because it's a surprise.